Hello, welcome to another application of microwave testing. This is a method for non-destructive testing of parts, especially for such parts which are non-conducting. If you are interested in NDT, then you are right here. Today we will see the microwave testing of grinding wheels. Here we see some examples of grinding wheels. These are from corundum. Corundum consists of abrasive grains from aluminum oxide, Al2O3. That is a good insulator. The diameter and the thickness of such grinding wheels may be larger than 200 millimeter. Such grinding wheels, for example, are used for shaping of metals and other materials, for grinding and sharpening of tools, as well as for smoothing and finishing of surfaces. They usually rotate at high speed. Therefore, inhomogeneities are quite dangerous because they can lead to bursting of the wheel with large damages in the surrounding. And that is why thorough NDT is necessary before use. And because the material is non-conducting, microwave testing is a good choice. In the following, we see a millimeterwave test system for this purpose. Millimeter waves are a part of the microwave frequency spectrum. Here we see the test results of two such grinding wheels. We see the unbent surface along 360 degrees in horizontal direction and the thickness of the wheel in vertical direction. Both wheels have passed the visual testing. In both these wheels, inhomogeneities can be seen, which have to lead to scrap these parts. These tests are made at 100 gigahertz in a special mode of microwave testing, the so-called FMCW mode. The test time for a wheel is less than 5 minutes. Maybe you ask now, why don't you use the traditional ultrasonic testing for this purpose? Well, ultrasonic testing is problematic because the coupling into the material is difficult. And also another traditional method, the X-ray computed tomography, is less advantageous than the millimeter wave testing, because the X-ray CT has been shown to be less sensitive, it is more expensive, and the tests take a longer time. So, in conclusion, millimeter wave testing is the preferable method to detect inhomogeneities and variations in density in grinding wheels. Before saying goodbye, let me make one comment. If you have applications, industrial applications of microwave testing available that fit into this channel, then please let me know. So far for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.